1967 Lincoln Continental convertible. Elegance, class, and power rolled into one. Wait, this is the car? This thing's a piece of shit. There was only 2,267 produced for the last year of the production model. Classic clean body lines, luxury. This car has been used in very popular movies, one of which is The Matrix. What the hell are you doing? The movie, not the club. Power convertible top. Plenty of room in the trunk. Designed for luxury and comfort. Big, powerful V8 engine. A dream to drive. Suicide doors for easy entrance. Spacious cab for the driver, front passenger, and rear passengers. I have no idea what the hell is under that tarp. All the amenities, AC, cassette player, roomy glove box. According to the advertisement in 1967, the Continental life can include private schooling for your son, a course in gourmet cooking for your wife, perhaps even lessons in guitar for you. None of that has anything to do with owning a Lincoln Continental, which meant they were pointing out it was a status symbol. Who wrote this? You told me this was fully restored. We can't advertise this. This is a piece of... So come on down to Arizona Motors and see this piece of shit for yourself.